This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to run a spelling bee. First, begin by defining clear rules and eligibility for all participants. Next, establish a comprehensive word list, ensuring it has varying difficulty levels to challenge every speller. Secure a suitable venue with adequate space and necessary equipment like a microphone. Finally, recruit dedicated judges and a skilled pronouncer to ensure fair play and a smooth competition. These initial steps are crucial for a successful event. Once planning is complete, focus on setting up your event space. Arrange the competition area thoughtfully, including a microphone and comfortable seating for all contestants. Provide clear, concise instructions to your judges, detailing scoring procedures and how to handle challenges. Ensure your pronouncer is thoroughly familiar with every word on the list and its correct pronunciation. Don't forget to prepare contestant numbers and a robust system for tracking each speller's progress throughout the rounds. On the day of the competition, start with a warm welcome and a quick review of the rules for everyone present. Call contestants to the microphone one by one, following a predetermined order. Allow each speller a reasonable amount of time, typically 30 seconds, to carefully spell their word. It is vital to announce correct and incorrect spellings clearly and consistently, maintaining fairness and transparency throughout every round. Keep the energy positive and encouraging. As the competition concludes, prepare to celebrate the achievements of your spellers. Have awards ready, such as trophies, medals, or certificates, for the top 3 or 4 participants. Acknowledge every single participant for their hard work, dedication, and excellent sportsmanship. After the event, gather valuable feedback from organizers and participants to identify areas for future improvements. Finally, extend heartfelt thanks to all volunteers, sponsors, and attendees for making the spelling bee a resounding success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.